Do you want to create a group chat on Snapchat? Then this video is going to walk you through how to create group chat on Snapchat. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to create your own group chat on Snapchat, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat application. And now once you open the Snapchat application, this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Click on Friends. And here, you have access to all your friends on Snapchat. Now, to create a group chat on your account, locate and click on the chat or messages icon at the top right. This paper icon with plus, click on it. You're going to see new chat and then new call. Now, to create a group chat on your Snapchat, locate new group and then click on it. You can chat up to 200 friends at once. Here is where you'll be able to add your chat list. Click on new group name and give your Snapchat group a name. So I'm just going to give this Adult4A so that if you want to create multiple Snapchat group, you'll be able to identify your Snapchat group. Then go ahead, add all your friends to this particular group chat. You see that? Then you can also search for the name of friends. If you couldn't find it on your list, then use the search box and search for the name of friends here to search for your group member. So just keep scrolling down and see if you could add other people to your group chat. Once you're done, click on chat with group. Then here, you're gonna see this pop where your group is created. You can now go ahead and start chatting with this group. So just say good morning. And once you send good morning, everybody is going to receive this message in the group. You can see you've created the group and added these people to your group. So if you click on this, here you have access to all the group information, including your group members. You see that? So these are the group members, and this is the Snap map. So that is basically how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.